It's Roy, CRR News and Clues. Here's the culprit for the previous video on the seized up wiper motor assembly. This is what it came off of. I was able to locate a used one. The pivot on it works, but it was replaced because it's so wallered out. Well, hard to tell there. There we go. It kind of had supposedly been seized up here. That's why it was replaced. Well, this here motor I took with the assembly together still, plugged it in, turned it on, it rotated quarter, half a turn, and then stopped. Turned it on again. This here, with this lever on it, wouldn't turn anymore. I could hear the motor turning, but inside it's either seized up or stripped out. It won't go. So that one is not usable. And that little piece there was kind of seized onto the shaft. I needed to get it off in order to get it here. Take the little bolts out. That old one had two 7/16 head and one T25 Torx for some reason. The one that's a couple years old apparently is hex key. What size? Oh, here's the darn thing. See if I can give you the size in case that may help somebody. And tool fell on 5/32. Okay, I had to, with the one that was seized, once I got the nut off, I took a chisel and just kind of gently tapped with the nut raised up. Excuse me, where are we at? Okay, with the nut raised up, gently tap in between the two pieces of metal, a little on each side, and popped it off. The new one, that wasn't necessary. I think I found part of the problem why this here seized up. It seemed as this was so tight I couldn't get it loose. I'll explain in a moment how I finally did. It says assembled in the USA. Assembled in the USA. But where do the parts come from? Yeah. I don't think they put any lubricant in here. If they didn't over torque this, which shouldn't have mattered. If this was over torqued on the outside, it actually shouldn't have mattered after all. In here, it won't turn. I had stuck that wrench over the end of it with the assembly still together up here on this catwalk and got it to barely budge, maybe a 1/16 of a rotation. It is so seized up. What I may have to do is here soon put this motor into this assembly to get this truck going, and then we work on getting another one when it's not a Saturday afternoon, just after everything closed. So that's what it is. These are the little control arms that go to the rest of the wiper assemblies. As I explained before, be careful, don't bust them, removing them and pop them back on. These little rollers, they tend to get kind of stiff when they're old. Don't hurt to put a little silicone lubricant or something on them once in a while, or maybe some spray, white lithium grease. I don't know that I'm going to be putting this back together just yet, because frankly, if this can be fixed, that's the better option. But I don't have access to the shop here. I only had access to the storage where that part was. I couldn't find any penetrating oil anywhere. If we can hold this in a vise and put my socket, it's a 1-inch socket that just barely, yeah, one hand's work going on here. I had to put it through there onto the nut with that 1-inch wrench on the other side, have it all braced against this catwalk with me standing up here and shove like heck to get it to pop loose finally. Matter of fact, I think I may have been even tapping on my breaker bar there with the hammer. I'm not certain. But anyway, 1-inch socket for the nut there. You already saw it a moment ago. I'm going to see if I can get this loose. This should be the last video on this probably, because it finally goes together. I'm getting home to my other work of my own. So thanks for your time. If this will help somebody, please send it to them. And thanks for your support and comments and such. Take care.